Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the best voltage testers for 2025. Voltage testers are an essential tool for ensuring electrical safety, whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 of the top-rated voltage testers that promise reliability, accuracy, and user-friendly features. Let's dive right into the list. At number 1. KAIWEETS Signal Percentage Tester. The KAIWEETS Signal Percentage Tester is a versatile and highly reliable tool designed to keep you safe during electrical tasks. It is equipped with advanced detection technology, which ensures that you can easily check whether a circuit is live or if there's any voltage present. One of the standout features of the KAIWEETS tester is its ability to display voltage levels in percentage, making it easier to gauge the strength of the signal. This feature provides a more accurate and detailed reading compared to standard models that simply show whether the circuit is live or not. The design of the KAIWEETS tester is ergonomic, with a compact and lightweight build that makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. The non-slip grip provides added safety and comfort during use. Durability is a key strength of the KAIWEETS Signal Percentage Tester. Built with high-quality materials, this tester is shock-resistant and durable enough to withstand drops or bumps, making it ideal for demanding work environments. The tester also includes a built-in flashlight, which is handy for working in dark or poorly lit areas.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Klein Tools NCVT1P Tester. The Klein Tools NCVT1P tester is a popular and trusted tool in the electrical industry, designed to provide quick and easy voltage detection. This non-contact voltage tester is a must-have for anyone working with electrical systems. It works by detecting the electric field around energized conductors, signaling the presence of voltage with both a visual and audible alert. This dual alert feature is particularly helpful when working in noisy environments or when you're working at a distance from the tester. One of the key selling points of the NCVT1P tester is its compact and lightweight design. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, making it convenient for electricians and DIYers to carry around. The NCV1P is also IP67 rated, meaning it's dust-proof and waterproof, which is great for use in harsh or wet conditions. The battery life of the Klein Tools NCVT1P is impressive, providing long-lasting performance for many tests without the need for frequent replacements. This voltage tester is ideal for those looking for a simple, effective tool for quickly determining the presence of voltage without direct contact with the circuit. Number 3. Fluke 1 ACE VoltAlert Tester. Fluke is known for making high-quality testing tools, and the 1 ACE VoltAlert Tester is no exception. This non-contact voltage tester is designed for maximum safety and reliability. It features a sleek design and advanced detection technology, allowing it to detect voltages ranging from 90 V to 1000 VAC. The tester alerts you to the presence of voltage with both a visual and audible indication, ensuring that you won't miss any potentially dangerous live wires. The Fluke 1 ACE VoltAlert tester is built with a high-quality plastic casing that is both durable and impact-resistant. It's designed to withstand tough conditions on the job site and is capable of handling the wear and tear of everyday use. Additionally, this tester features an automatic shut-off function, which helps preserve battery life when the tool is not in use. One of the key advantages of the Fluke 1 ACE is its ability to test both AC and DC circuits, making it a versatile tool for electricians. With its simple, intuitive design and top-tier quality, the Fluke 1 ACE VoltAlert tester is an excellent choice for those seeking both safety and reliability. Number 4. Adjustable Sensitivity AC Tester. The Adjustable Sensitivity AC Tester is a unique voltage tester that allows you to customize the sensitivity based on your needs. This feature makes it highly versatile, as you can use it in various environments with different voltage levels. The ability to adjust sensitivity is a game changer, allowing for more accurate readings when working in complex electrical systems or tight spaces. This tester is designed to be easy to use, featuring an ergonomic handle that fits comfortably in your hand. The clear LED indicators provide a visual alert when voltage is detected, and the tester also features an audible beep, giving you dual confirmation of the presence of electrical voltage. The design is compact, making it easy to carry and use in confined spaces, such as breaker panels or outlets. Durability is a key strength of the adjustable sensitivity AC tester. It's made from high-quality materials that can withstand tough working conditions. The adjustable sensitivity feature ensures that you can use the tool on both low and high voltage systems without risk of false readings or damage. If you're looking for a versatile voltage tester that gives you more control over your testing environment, the adjustable sensitivity AC tester is a top contender. Number 5. Dual Range Voltage Sniffer Tester. The Dual Range Voltage Sniffer Tester is another excellent option for electrical safety. This tester stands out for its dual range detection capability, which allows it to detect both low and high voltage systems, making it a highly adaptable tool. It offers voltage detection in 2 ranges, 12V to 500 VAC and 50V to 1000 VAC, providing flexibility for various electrical applications. This dual range feature makes it particularly useful for both residential and commercial electricians. The voltage sniffer tester is designed for quick and easy use. It has a simple on/off switch, and the LED lights clearly indicate whether voltage is present. The audible beep becomes faster and louder as you approach live wires, providing an extra layer of safety during testing. This feature helps prevent accidental contact with live wires while you're working. Durability is a key focus of the Dual Range Voltage Sniffer Tester. It is built to withstand daily use with a rugged plastic casing that can handle drops and other impacts. Whether you're working in tight spaces or on a busy job site, this tester will perform reliably. Its versatility, ease of use, and durability make it an excellent choice for professionals who need a dependable voltage tester for all kinds of electrical tasks. Number 6. Weikani LED Voltage Tester. The Weikani LED Voltage Tester is a reliable and easy-to-use tool designed for those who need to quickly check for live voltage. This tester features a bright LED display that provides clear indications of voltage presence. It's perfect for electricians, dyers, or anyone needing to verify whether an electrical circuit is live before starting work. The LED lights up in different colors, depending on the voltage detected, which makes it easy to assess the situation at a glance. This tester is designed with simplicity in mind. The Weikani LED Voltage Tester features a non-contact design, meaning you don't need to touch the wire directly. Simply place the tester near the wire, and the device will detect any electrical voltage present. It's perfect for use on outlets, wiring, and switches. Durability is a major selling point of the Weikani LED Voltage Tester. It is built with high-quality materials that make it resistant to wear and tear. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use, especially in confined spaces. If you're looking for a no-fuss voltage tester that delivers accurate results, the Weikani LED Voltage Tester is a solid choice. Number 7. Proster Adjustable Tester Pen. The Proster Adjustable Tester Pen is a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This tester pen features an adjustable sensitivity setting, allowing you to customize its detection capability based on the voltage level you're working with. Whether you're working with low voltage or high voltage systems, this tester provides accurate and reliable readings. One of the standout features of the Proster tester pen is its easy-to-read LED display, which shows you the voltage level at a glance. This feature provides you with more information than a simple live or not live indicator, allowing you to make better informed decisions when working with electrical systems. The tester pen is non-contact, meaning it can detect voltage without making direct contact with the live wire, ensuring that you're always working safely. The Proster tester pen is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or toolbox. Whether you're an electrician or a hobbyist, the Proster Adjustable Tester Pen is a reliable and convenient tool for any job. And that's a wrap on our review of the best voltage testers for 2025. Choosing the right tester depends on your specific needs, but all of these options provide the accuracy and convenience you need to keep yourself safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and safety tips. Stay safe and energized.